Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by selecting 3 sticky note colors so each has a clear role: concept, question, or action. Once chosen, write one idea per note and keep phrases short so you can scan quickly. Stick notes along page margins, textbook edges, or a study board where they won't block text. Make sure to use a consistent shorthand or symbol system. This speeds recall later. If you start now, you build a visual map of your material and avoid clutter before you dive deeper. Once you have multiple notes, group related ones into clusters or columns. You're turning scattered thoughts into a structure. Number notes or draw arrows to show sequence when processes or proofs require order. Make short codes, def for definition, x for example, for question, so your brain recognizes patterns fast. Rotate between adding notes and reading to test connections. If 2 notes repeat a point, combine them. These organizational moves reduce redundancy and help you practice retrieval effectively. You finish by reviewing clusters daily and moving resolved notes to an archive page or folder so current study space stays focused. Photograph or index your notes to build a searchable record. This saves time when you need to revisit concepts. Make sure to convert action notes into tasks with deadlines to prompt follow-through. If you ever feel overwhelmed, reduce active notes to your top 5 priorities and reapply color roles. This troubleshooting step prevents no.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.